What is up mga pangit and welcome back sa isa na pod ka horror game. So muna siya ang Mother's Wish. So Mother's Wish. So na-wish yung mother. Ato na i-start ang game. So murag indie horror game kaya po ni siya no. Para ato mga giduran itong hapon. So start na ta. 3 months ago, my younger brother died in an accident. Since that day, our house has never felt the same. Mom locks herself in her room almost every night. I often hear her crying from behind the door. At first, I thought it was just grief. But as time went on, something changed in Mom. I always hear that same voice. Bring my child back to life. Bring my child back to life. I don't know who Mom is talking to, and to be honest, I'm afraid to find out the answer. So, natingan ta kaya tong mama na ika-istorya. I came home again. Mom will definitely scold me. So, late na daw ta nakauli. Kasabaan daw ta sa atong mama. Okay. Unsa ni? Basurahan? Kuya, pud pagsud na to sa atong balay kay basurahan dayon. Ma! Kangit-ngit ba sa ma? So, sirasan na to ni. Okay, nayabi. Basi kinanglan na to. Timanan na to. Wa tay switch dire suga. Kinsa man ni? Kami ni? Lo! Damn. Ma! Naputla na patag kuryente. Ma! Kahugaw ba ni? Buwa man yan. Nanghinlo ng inahan. Okay. So, maklik din siya. So, di siya maklik. Di po siya maklik. Okay. So, natay suga. Pero unsa man 10 watts? Arang hinaya kay ano yung siga sa atong suga mo eh. Me? Open the door. Una pa'y mga medyas. Napa'y mga uniform. Tidy up clothes. So, ako saan hipuson? No? No? Okay. So, take down ni atong uniform nga atong gilabay skilled. Ang medyas nga unsa man eh. Pang 9 months old man nga bata. Sige. Tapos cellphone na to. Ay, naka-Samsung tabay. G drop basket. Dihara ka ha. Tapos cellphone sweep the floor. Sigaw sa na to. Pati bombilya ang hinaya. Unsa man ni chargeable. Open. Nice CR. I should take a shower out before taking the trash. Ansa daw? Bawal ta malibang, bawal ta. Unsa man ay grabe po ni nga. Para mag-swimming pool nga gamay. Dere. This door is locked. So ato sa daw hinluan ang kuan, okay. Hinluan na to. Di gina mawa ng bimo nga kuan uy, uwil. Kuyawa pud sa tong kusina kay mubo kayo. Naranggasol, dakuha sa tubig uy, pila man na litro. Uy na diring washing. While nagluto ka, pili ka maglaba. Tapad sa imong rep pod, may mga basura. Sweep the floor. So, mo niya to. Nindot po. Very nice, ha? Ganahan ko sa aesthetic. So, na sunlight da ang sabon. Kung ano na to ni, so, ni sweep the floor. Kaya hugaw. Napay mating that town. So, mom's room, doors locked. Itong kwarto, manghinlo ta, kay dagay buleng. Dali, anong din nga trabaho dahi? Kani po dahi. The floor is clean. Yan bagaw man. Grabe ka, boring. Ani nga balay na sopa, na lamisa, white TV. Mag-embargo, matong inutang nga TV, ma? Ma? Drop broom. Okay, drop na to ang broom. I will drop the broom. Pagkaw man, take out the trash. So, take out. Kaya ba ko asa ang trash? Ani kita kaya mo baktas. Purya gaba mong tao na eh. Kita yung tao mo baktasan eh. So, open na no. Okay, muna basurahan. Ito throw. Okay, all chores are done. Isara ka basura. Looks like I should take a shower before going to bed. Okay. I have to go to school tomorrow morning. Okay, sige. Maligo sa ta. Sira na to ni. Para makasud ang mga bad spirits. So, maligo sa atake. Grabe ka, boring. Ani nga balay. Maligo sa tatabi. Okay. So, maligo ta. Oh, we're showering. Dali araw mo mura. Magawilik-wilik ra. Mama's always locked herself into her room since that accident. I should check on her. Ma? Me? The door is locked. I need to find the key first. Okay, bawa ko asang yabi. Naray. Okay, kuha natin ng yabi. Mom's room key obtained. Okay, nato yabi. Sama na ka sound effects, oy! Kinahanglan yun ato kakusog. Kinahanglan yun to nga sound effects. Ako raman ng mama, oh. How dare you? Who gave you permission to enter my room? Mom, I was just worried. You haven't left your room at all. Don't make excuses. I just heard you talking to yourself every night. Biskot. Shut up! Grabe po ka mo, eh. Gi-check ka na kung buhay pa ka na sulod. Grabe po ka sa ako, eh. Gi-shut up man ko ni mo, ma. Grabe ko sa buhay mo, si Dora. Okay, lami ka istorya mo, eh. Kumusta ka sa mga anak? Inanao ni mo? You never understand how I feel. Mom. If only you were the one who died instead. What the hell? May inana juga, ma. Mas gusto pa ko ni mo matay kaysa sa kuya. So, wak ko'y kuan sa imo. Wak ko'y silbi sa imo. Ha? Sakit do. Masakit no, ma. Inana day ka, ma. Ay, na batasan mo, ma. Ugwanan ko na gi-anak, mga no, manag-uwag-uwag ra ka. Palami ra ka niya. Gi-anak ko ni mo. Inana ko ni mo. Palami ra ka. Buanga ka. Inana ko ni mo gistorya. Tanggalon ko ng buhok ni mo ron. Salamat ka kay concern pa ko sa imo, ha. Sa ako wa kay paki. Kalain ko di mo pagkainahan na good. Ay, kaulaw lang ka, mayara ka magpalami-lami. Mom, why would you say that? You Tamias bago no, eh. Lain na gud mo good. Kaulaw lang ka, bayahan na ka. Your brother understood me much better than you ever. Ay, sus. May pagwaan ka na ako, kumusta no? Wa kay lamay nga inahan. Binuang ka? Pwede pa lang kumanumbag og mama, gisumbag na ta ka. He always listened to me. He never talked back to me. He never disappointed me. Hindi ka to, boy. Kaluta to akong kuya kaw. Kau tato dito sa iyang lungon. Buang kang bayhana ka? I'm trying my best too, Mom. No. No. Purya gaba po nga inahan, oy. You can never replace him. Bara ka mulayas na ko, eh. Huwag mo pakialam sa ako, ha. Never. Nakabastos. Lainag kantong inahan na. Lainag taras atong inahan, oy. Sunugon ka ng balay ron. Sunugon ka ng balaya ron. Wabitaw nila may nga balay. Gusto to. Uy, nanawag. Messenger. May sabi, atong Samsung phone. Hello? Uy, si Friska. Hey, Andy. Sorry to bother you late at night. What's up, Friska? Haven't you gone to sleep yet? Not yet. I just wanted to remind you. What it's about? We're going to work on our group project after school tomorrow, right? Oh, right. Let's just go straight up to my place tomorrow, okay? It's just that my house will be empty tomorrow. My mom and dad are out of town. Oh, is that so? So don't go straight home tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow, Andy. I love you. Sige, see you tomorrow. So, matog na siguro ko, no? Di na masira. Matog na ko. Unsa man raw higdaan na may mga stain lagi. Ano kinsa ka? Ha? Kinsa ka manghudong? Huh? Ryan?
Brother. Brother, please help.
This is a dream, right?
Please stop, Mom.
What do you mean?
Mom keeps calling me. Every night. She won't let me sleep, let me go.
Ryan, are you still alive?
Brother, I'm scared. Please stop, Mom. Before it's too late.
So wake up, kinadam gota! Go, go, go! Okay, ni mata na ta. 5:32 AM. Sa yuhago na to ni matagod. Ngano, unsa day si Mom? Mom! Hala. Oh, oh, oh! Unsa man atong pusing ma? Ay.
Oh, you're awake?
Wa matug ba ko ma? Unsa day na ma? Unsa pagtan-aw nimo? Tug pa ko? Tugba-tugba po doy nabuang. Yes, Mom.
Leaving for school?
In a bit.
You haven't changed into your uniform?
Not yet. Kakold kayo nila mag-istorya ba? Papa ka nag-ilis uniform, wa pa. Marad to kag-eskwelahan, taod-taod. Purya gaba ni nga pamilya ni.
Go change your clothes quickly. You'll be late.
Sis, nagaro kay kabit mo abot ba? Unusual of you to care.
Can't the mother care about her own son?
I guess.
Enough, hurry up and go. Study hard.
Hindi wow, piki. Makadi maguro ka ikaw, mama. Yes, Mom.
Andy, don't come home too late.
Why? Is something wrong?
Nothing. I just want us to have dinner together tonight.
Okay. Wala ka na bago na akong mama.
I'll be waiting for you at home.
I should go back tomorrow. Sure ka, mama? Huh. Piling na ko, dili ikaw akong mama do. Isa kang demonyeta. Close na kita itong mama. Basig silipan ta niya. Change ta. Unsa umani. So, mag-change ta sa itong sanina. Kaya ba ta mag-uniform. I should go to school now. Ka-creepy sa akong mama. Uy, what the heck? At na nakamaon na ako. Isa kang malaking F. Tanaw rabo. Ma. Kalimat na ikaw. Baon, mami. Ma. Bakoy baon, ma. Di ko na maginatagag bang anang inanak ka mahigda, ma. Mura makag may ginaakit, ma. Ma. Sino ba? Baon na ako, ma! This mother father. Pangitang mama, eh. Hindi ka mahatag baon na. Pakaulaw. Bye! Ugly. Sumadto tag-eswelahan. Okay, let's go. Ahasa magpugumaad to. Oh my goodness, to diri. Diri ta mo adto. Kahinay ba ni mo baktas, oy? Ay! Ay! Yate ning Minecraft bugnaw nga angkol. Ngano ka kol? Mr. Junid. Biskot. Hey, Andy. Biskot ka kol. Ngano ka kol nga mangurat ka kol? Kinahanglan ka mangurat kol. Buang. Ay, kalagot ya eh. Oh my gosh, Mr. Junid. You gave me such a scare. Pangit ka mo ka. That's why you shouldn't daydream while walking. Unsa daydream kay walking pa doon pa ko eskwelahan na unsa ka? Are you heading to school? Dili, cool. Wagay ko nag-uniform mo. Nag-uniform na ko kay para maglaag. Di ba obvious? Muna kay so di mo utok square pod kay mong naong square. Yes, sir. Great. Study hard, okay? Imo ra kong gikurat para ana. Piskot nga mabagsakay naman kani ko. Don't be like these kids. Don't be like kids these days. All they do is date. Wa pa po ko uyabos. Sa lua kay pisot pa mo gud. Di pa ko pwede manguyab ba. Okay? Haha. What grade are you in now? Piskot malit na ako boss. Dagang kikipangutan na sa ako. 11th grade, sir. Oh, right. You look pale. Nya, imo gugong gikurat gikan pagtat. Ay, way mga common sense. Do you still think about your younger brother often? Sometimes. That's understandable. Losing a family member is hard. Especially for your mother. Yes, sir. By the way, how is your mother doing now? It's still the same as the first day. Sir, it's as if I haven't come to terms with Ryan's passing yet. Is that true? Yeah, we actually had a chance to chat for a bit earlier too. Where is that? Why is that? No, just For the past few nights, I've often noticed that the light in your mother's room is still on late into the night. Ganong nakabantay ka na, bus. Sige kag tanaw sa among kuan. Sige kag tanaw sa among kwarto sa mama, no? Maybe mom is having trouble sleeping. Maybe, but sometimes I hear noises coming from your house in the middle of the night. A voice? Yeah, like someone talking to themselves. Maybe I'm wrong. If anything happens, don't keep it to yourself. Yes, sir. Alright, go on. Then you'll be late if you don't leave soon. Imo kong gi-istorya, maliit yung kulo. Okay, sir. Be careful on the road. Be careful on the road. Sabay ta magbaktas, no? Sige. Tinanaway lang ta. Ka-awkward, eh. Magbabay mo, niya nagsabay mo glakaw. The day went on as usual. I'm trying to forget everything that happened last night. About that dream. And about his words which keep echoing in my head. Please stop, Mom. I don't know what that means. Maybe it was just a dream. Maybe. After school, I went to Friska's house to finish the group assignment that's due next week. At least for a little while, I can take my mind off all the strange things happening at home. Si Friska, piskot. Wa makiliog, Friska! Friska. Mura makagsibito yung girl version. Kapag iliog. Puti kaya na imong naong Friska. Imong dalunggan kay itom. Nga na, Friska. Ganong square mapugag naong Friska. Friska.
It's finally done.
Yes. It turns out it's pretty tiring too. Kuya, what?
That's a lie. I've been doing almost all of it by myself this whole time.
Oh, I'll help too.
A little. Haha.
Haha.
But seriously, you've seemed unfocused this whole time.
Huh?
There have been times when I've had to call you 3 times before you answered.
I'm sorry.
Is there a problem?
No, not at all.
Are you sure?
I'm just sleep deprived. That's it.
If you have a problem, don't keep it to yourself.
Eh, ka-crush ka sa ako, no? Concern. Crush ka na ako? Di pa ko tuli. Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks, Friska.
What's that for?
You've already asked me to do my homework here. Otherwise, I might keep thinking about weird things.
You're really having some problems, aren't you? I'll tell you the story later.
I'll tell you a story later. Biskot nakalimot man ko. Ako na si Andy.
Okay, if you ever want to talk about it, I'll listen.
Eh, crushing ganyan. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And thanks for today.
Hey, just take it easy. We're friends after all.
Friends? Friends lang ba? Or nakipagtingin sa ako, Friska? Just tell it to me, okay? That's true.
Go home already. It's getting late.
See you tomorrow.
Be careful on the road, Andy. I love you.
Sud ko ba banta? Ay. Okay. Sumuuli na pog ko. Napasig na po yung mga urat dire ron. Sumbagay na gin. Okay. We're on the wrong direction again, huh? Okay. Dire ta pa dong. Nice one. Nakauli na ko. Uy, migo na mismo. Wala, abril lang important sa mga balay. Ma! Kauli na ko. Wala na ko, ma. Close the gate. Ma! Nakauli na ko, ma. Wala mo, mama day. Ano, mama day? Ma, I'm home. Ma! Moro man akong room sa katunig. Uli ko, ma? Ma? Where's mom? Mama, mama. Ma? 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 Ama na inahan, oy. Sumatog ra ko. Ay, guro matog. Sleep. No, I can't. Nga naman. Ma? Ama na inahan, oy. Wa na lagi ni takas ng inahan ng kabit na tuglain ba nangita tuglain laki ba? Mag-CR ko? No? What do I do? Toto. What do I do now? Ma! What do I believe? Uy! May pagkaon. Nakoy fried rice. I'll eat this at the table. Okay, wala tayo lamisa diri. Kuya, wapod sa tong kuwan way lamisa. So, diri ko magkaon sa lamisa nga round table nga grabe kadako. Yung malaylain TV. Uy, lamian ni, uy! Okay. Let's eat this. Ayo, apo na ng lamisaha, oy! May oy. Chewing eating. Grabe, di man niya usapon. Igor man niya. Gilabok naman. Grabe, gitulo na largo. O, gamay na lang. I should get a drink and go sleep. So, mukha tag mainom. I believe one day I would be where I was right there, right next to you. Okay, humanatag inom. I should go to bed now. Sumatog na ta. Let's go! Sleeping time. What is happening? Hala, saan na inihimo naman yung pula? What happened? Why has the whole house turned red like this? Am I still dreaming? This feels too real to be a dream. Mom? Does this have anything to do with my mother? Have you been hiding something from me all this time, Mom? I have to go find my mom now before something worse happens. So wake up. Ingon di damgo ni wake up man lagi. Stand up na to. Ma? Mother? Mother? Come on, mama. Ma? Where are you, ma? Ma? So ang kinanan og fried rice. Sit down. Di ta ka sit down. Dere daw. Stuck from outside. The door is stuck. Something is blocking from... Ah! Di! Piskot man si Ryan, oy! Ryan! Ngano ka, Ryan? Oh, shoot. Oh, God. God damn. Oh. Ryan? Ngano man ni sila? Ryan, magunsa mangko ang cellphone. Magunsa mangko. What the hell? Mother Earth! Anong nangyayari sa inyo? Bakit ganito? So, bang, close the door. Wait, go. Saan ako pagagawas dere? So, nada ga block dere. They're stuck somewhere outside. What do I do? What's my button? How do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, how do I live without you? Saan ko maning trash? Ilabay na ako dito. There'll be no sun in my sky. Ay! Ma? Ma, nagkuha akong basura. Ako na ilabay sa gawas, ma.
You're finally awake.
What's all this? Why does the house looks like this?
Because tonight it's all going to end.
Mom, I don't understand.
You never understand.
Mom, please stop all this.
Stop it. After everything I've done,
What do you mean?
Ryan is coming back tonight.
Ryan is dead.
Shut up! He's just waiting to be brought home.
You've gone crazy.
But this madness will bring my son back.
I'm your son too.
Palabay ko ng basura sa imo. You're just his
Wow, ang kapal ng mukha mo. Walang hiya kang magulang ka. How can you say that?
Because you've never not even want to be able to be like Ryan.
Imo tagi-kaon si Ryan.
He deserves to live.
No!
Do you want to know why I told you to come home early today?
I don't want to know, ma, pero wala ko'y choice.
Because I don't want the final requirement of this ritual to be lost.
Weekend man ako? Okay.
And the last requirement is... It's you, Andy.
Kuha na, nagkurog-kurog. Nagunit ka po basura. Oh no, kaluoy na Andy. Oh no. Luuya. Mo na to? Damn. Sumar to siya, guys. Gimot ang sacrifice para mabuhi daw ang anak niya nga isa, si Ryan. Pero bugo man siya nga paggabai. Wag gyapon duha may namatay. So ang ending na nabuang. So ako ra tong kuana. Ako ra ning teorya, so nabuang gid siya. Natuluyan akong inahan niya. Wa na siya kang kaon namatay. Gaba. So marto guys, hopefully nag-enjoy man nga video. Ug gusto mo pag-inani, pag-comment lang mo diha. I love you all. See you sa next video. Bye.